Are you looking for a historic home in Hyattsville? I'm Ryan Heeman with Compass. Let's take a look.
Click the link below to get the price, photos, and details on this brand new listing. And as a free bonus, we'll also give you access to other exclusive off-market homes for sale throughout Maryland that most buyers don't know about. These are hundreds of off-market homes that aren't available on Zillow or the MLS. So go ahead, click the link below now to get access. This grand Queen Anne Victorian, built in 1884, features 2,757 square feet of classic living space across 3 finished floors. Enjoy a wraparound porch, original details, and a renovated kitchen with a professional 6-burner Italian range. Want to know more? Click the link below now. Thanks.